National Handloom Day, cultural heritage of India and a tribute to our weavers. Handlooms are the oldest form of weaving. Handlooms were used by nomads in Central Asia as early as 5000 BC. The widespread use of handloom fabrics began around 3000 BC after the invention of the sector is keeping women empowerment as over 70% of handloom weavers and allied workers are women. On this day, we honor our handloom weaving community and highlight the contribution of this sector in the socio-economic development of our country. In solidarity with the skillful hands of millions of craftspeople, the firm, the second largest workforce in India after agriculture, support and respect the craft art tradition of India, which is essential in contributing to a sustainable and green future. In demand, a local and equitable economic model for our craft community, which strengthens the local economy and safeguards our cultural identity. Handlooms is a way of life and symbol of our identity, culture and heritage. It reflects the magic of our skilled handloom weavers who have kept the tradition alive. So, on this National Handloom Day on 7th August, let us please to support our handloom weavers and encourage everyone to wear the handloom's products. To remember the launch of the Swadeshi movement in 1905, we celebrate National Handloom Day on 7th August. It's a tribute to all our weavers. The first National Handloom Day was inaugurated on 7th August 2015 by our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi in Chennai. We need handloom the same way we need the wisdom of our forefathers as it percolated down the generation to our children and theirs. It teaches us the value and the eternal beauty of our culture and traditions. To appreciate our skilled weavers, our government has been given some awards like National Award, Sant Kabir Award, Awards in Designing and Young Weaver Awards. So if you like our videos, then please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching. The National Handloom Day, the cultural heritage of